Hello, welcoming blessings to you. This is the Quantum Light Team podcast, and this is our Light Body Activation series. I am Simone Renee Quinton, your guide, here to channel from my highest soul self and my connection with, as one with, the Quantum Light Team. From the great central sun of Sirius, through Arcturus, through the Pleiades, through An-Ra, and to the creation of this gorgeous earth of ours and our galactic human earth light body. We are one, here to raise our vibration to that of our birthright, to activate our sacred geometric genetics and live as enlightened, energetic, unconditional loving, wise, almighty, powerful and joy-filled beings on this earth again. Hear, hear. Well, today we are venturing with the Pleiadian light body masters into the realms of co-creation. We're going to work on reactivating our divine pathways of our human emotions, and especially where they sit and plague in our physical body. This is really real, those real feelings you get of stagnant energy where emotions just block everything and you just want to do nothing. So we're doing a series of addiction releasing and releasing those stagnant emotions. Then we're going to move into repairing any damage once that's cleared, and then reactivating our light pathways in our body. For those of you that know the plasma soul codes, we are working with plasma soul code 19, which is addiction release, and number 20, which is repair, and number 21, which is our Star Walker. These are gorgeous vibrations, and they're very particular codes of light that live within us, that are there to go off when we really need them. So when you are having a moment, when you are really ready to release something, soul code number 19, which is Sheta, will come in and activate within your soul, and your soul will really work closely with that vibration, very unique patterns. Now, to prepare ourselves for today, and it doesn't matter if you don't know anything about the plasma soul codes, this is all about your light body activation for the greatest good of you and all. Find yourself in a really nice, comfortable space where you're not going to be disturbed, and you're encouraged to lie down today. You will need 3 almost identical items. And when I say identical, they could be, you could go outside and pick a leaf, pick 3 leaves from a tree and pop one of those at the head of you and the other 2 at the sides, and then you need another item to place down at your feet, and that could be anything else. So it doesn't matter exactly what it is, as long as it's something from nature. It could be a crystal or a stone or a shell or even blades of grass. So whatever feels right for you, or even a little bit of dirt from the garden. We are working with your earth body, your physical dense body today, and where the emotions really create a lot of havoc, a lot of disease, and a lot of unwellness. And we want to really work here to lift and release, work in repair, and then using the iconic spiral of the universe, we're going to be using lots of light spiraling energy. So when you are ready, dear ones, get yourself comfy, have some water with you. You may even like to do 3 glasses of water for today, and you'll place those on those 3 identical or near identical items. And then the other one that's going to be at your head will be a little bit different. Get yourself in a nice, comfortable position on your back. You might want to pop something under your knees, under your neck. Beautiful. And we're going to go straight into the light language to prepare you for this journey. As with all activations, there will be times where you may drift off into a little bit of a sleep-like state. That is completely normal, and there's nothing wrong with that. It means that the Pleiadians are working with some of the denser parts of your body. Just like when you go to sleep at night, you need to be in a deep sleep to be able to repair. That will quite likely be sometime within the middle of the session, and then you will become much more consciously aware towards the end. Breathing deeply. Nakuta esh ane le'ekud no oshai a. Ene eku una a esh atono o. Ele ekiama esh atono o. Ele ina. Ele ina. Ele naya ekua. Sheta a. Ene e ma'ana e tuush ku'ur. Ele ina. Beautiful. Feeling the waves of love from above your head. You've kind of got like a diamond around you. And from that item that is above your head now, there's going to be waves of light coming through your body. And we call in here, call from within the deep, pure space within your heart. Calling in your higher self to guide you, and the quantum light team, working with 3 main Pleiadian guides, and you will have one master guide above you. That will be a whole team of beings merged with your higher self, with your higher soul self. Take a moment to adjust to these energies, feeling the sacred geometric shape of the triangle first. And with those items, it's really good if you just reach out. It's okay if you move and open your eyes now, but you might want to just get those right in alignment with your heart. Allow your breathing to be a little deeper as you work to digest these waves of light coming and flowing from the head down your body. And what will happen when it reaches the point at your feet, it will loop back up, come back through your heart, and loop back out through the top. And then from there, there's going to be some very unique patterns happening. Lots of diamond shapes, all linking in to your physical light body vessel. So what's happening now is the Pleiadians are working with you and scanning your body, working with your higher self, and there's some soul family up above you, as well as some genetic ancestral family that are on the other side working with you. So welcome them in around you now. Some of them are going to want to come in and circle you. This can be quite an emotional time for you. Today is about getting real with yourself, giving yourself permission to let go of the heavy addictions, even those that you are not consciously aware of. We can get not only addictions of food or movement, but we get emotional addictions as well. We can get addicted to a particular type of praise that is coming from an external source. So we're going to call in your close family, your partners now, maybe if you have some children or grandchildren, parents. Now all those energies that are playing out the play of life with you in your everyday life, the ones that are really pressing your buttons. Desh ono o shayana a ele eki I a emaku u. We're working with the energy of Sheta. This is the part of your soul that is brilliant at releasing and letting go of old patterns that no longer serve you. And the beautiful thing about this is that it will help your whole soul family and your earth family. So much love and support. Take a moment to feel that love and support and understand that this is not a hard thing to do. It is so simple to fall in the arms of love and light and allow all that no longer serves you to disappear today, to be released completely. You may feel now the Pleiadians are going to hold your hands and your feet. And they're going to help to draw out those energies while your higher soul is working from your crown down through your body, drawing out the hands and out the feet to clear. And you are clearing all the energies that you are not, for you are so much more than you think you are. The affirmation of Sheta, I am not what I appear to be. That is you. You saying to you, I am not what I appear to be. I am so much more. Dekush ayana a. So let yourself focus on the pure love and light that you are in this moment and allow the rest to disappear. Ush ai ana ele I eni I kuuna a. Beautiful. Nakushayama. You may be aware now the Pleiadians are going to lift you up and bring the stargate down above you. So simultaneously you will lift up into their blue diamond starship and they will bring it down over you too. And there will be a master Pleiadian guide, the one at your feet now. He's going to be working a little bit closer with your central nervous system, especially where your emotions. So you may be shown and feel now a pushing and a pulling there. That's your fight and flight energy as well. And all of the nerves that feed right through your body. A very high vibration of galactic blue light, a little bit on the pinky tones. There's a little bit of pink through there, this light. Some of you will have more pink than others, so it may even look like a violet light as opposed to a blue light. It's going to be working through your nervous system now, working through the channels of your mind and your brain, where they splay right out through all of the systems of your body. And there will be much to clear here. So let yourself relax. You're in wonderful hands of unconditional love and light. You're in charge. The more you give permission to let go, the more you will heal. The more you let go, the more you will let go of. It's funny that. Neshuto na ane ele ki I emeku shai'a ene eli I ema ono o sha'a ena sheta ana a ekuama. Let yourself breathe. It may be good. Some of you, the Pleiadians are saying, some of you here are going to want to tense your muscles and release them. So you're going to want to get quite physical Let yourself stretch your legs out and your arms out to the side. And I was being shown earlier before the muscular system. So we're going to be working into the muscles now. So let them flex and release. Anukushaya Anna. And then let out a humongous sigh. And then do that 2 more times in your own way and time. Big, deep inhalation. Be aware of the tones. You may want to almost allow your sigh to be scream-like, maybe intense and like a lion or lioness. And some of you are going to want to do more than just 3. And when you feel that sighing sound at the end of your out-breath becomes more of a, oh, that feels nice, it's a nice sigh, you can keep going until then. And that's okay if you don't get there this time. You can listen to this activation whenever you need, whenever anything is worrying you or feeling emotionally stuck in your body. Heto kush ayama, flowing beautifully. And those waves of light that we started with at the beginning are moving through. They're going to be quite zigzag light, like as they move into your geometric body, helping to repair now the geometry there. There'll be lots of looping, linking, figure 8 type energies, triple figure 8s where we go into like a triple infinity symbol, opening up portals and channels within, and they're talking about the cellular membranes now. So there's an opening there and a releasing. If you think of, it's like a feeling for your cells where they've been encased in a tight vice. And now they get to breathe and expand, stripping out that clothing and the cloth around you that is too tight, too heavy for you now. It's the shedding. We are shedding more energy now. And this is where Sheta moves into Man. This plasma soul codes are all connected. They're not separated like we see with, like what we use with our human mind, and we think things are separate. Everything is connected. So we're flowing into Man, and you may drift back into the shedding, into the Sheta energy, and that shedding energy will then open more repair, and then the light will start coming in. So those 3 plasma soul codes will start working beautifully together. I am focusing now into your heart space, everybody. Nakush ayama. And right down through your gut, repairing the energies, repairing the bodies, all bodies, timelines and dimensions for the greatest good of you and all. Nakuta eshayama a. Una'a sha'ane eleiki amakua. This is where the sighing may continue. Now, some of you are going to go into a sleep-like state as the repairing energy works right in, and the Pleiadians are going to lift you up into a different vibration now, up into a different level of the starship, into the light ship. When we say ship, it's just an energy. And, you know, you have your own light ship within you and around you too. So they are converging the high vibrations, the repairing energies, and working very closely with your higher soul now. There's going to be a lot of input from higher aspects of yourself. This is from other lifetimes, a lot of off-planet lifetimes too, where you have been in a body and been a very high vibrational body. So these are wonderful memories that are coming through, and working with the humanoid genetics of your optimum body, still working with and where the emotions have been sitting heavy and repairing that. High vibration of love language. Nush ane ele ene eku very direct. Nesh aku una a. Now say out loud, and it may just come to you. This is not premeditated. You're going to say out loud, and there may be quite a few words, a lot of different parts of your body. You're going to just say the words of different parts of your body, maybe different organs, different systems outside that you are really wanting to repair at the moment. Naku shai ana a. Breathe deeply. Keep stating those words out loud, affirming and reaffirming over and over those parts of your body that you are ready to repair, that you are ready to direct this high quotient vibration of light, this quantum light, naku ush ayama, in the air. Now the light language is going to get quite strong here. It is directing the energy into those parts of your body. Du'uk ene sha'unu ekia eme enu ene eshuna ene ekia emanu una ak eatu shakua ema etani I ena o. Beautiful. Now we're going to have a minute or two of soft, gentle rest while your body repairs. Don't worry if you go a little bit drifty, you won't miss anything. I'm just going to be talking in a soft, light language for a minute or two to help your body repair, to help you bring in and manifest your quantum light body. Una esh ayama ene una a dendo ush ayama eli I ena a una aki ene shuto etu ene e ki iama ush ayama. All three Pleiadians are helping you now. Eshanuku Sheme in the air. There are waves of light crisscrossing through your body. Eshunu through all of the systems. And then the body systems will lift up and levitate above you, moving through the quantum fields and then come back down. Slowly. Eshatuna ene eana. In another few moments, they'll be slowly going up and slowly coming back down. Ne eku shayama. Ene e. Shayama eku na a. Ene etu na a shayama. Ene una. Feeling your body repair. You are strong because you are gently, sensually, and powerfully loved and honored in this moment. That is how you repair, by knowing that love is real, love is all. That is your power and your wisdom. That is your guidance. Eshapiyama, the perfect body, functioning in balance, in love, self-sovereignty, self-love. Allow, dear ones, allow yourself to repair. pairing with the highest vibration of quantum light force, Daku Shayama A, directed by your higher self for the greatest good of you and all, so you can function clearly and walk forward in your path of light. You begin to feel now, everyone, you're slowly coming back down, and you'll feel a spiraling energy in the center of you. The Pleiadians here, these Pleiadian light masters, are working also now. We've got the energies of Sirius and Arcturus coming in here. And it is a blending, a mending, and an activation of all of your higher vibrations of life force, and especially those and that information that you need to continue to live a happy, powerful life on this planet. To live in passion and joy. Nakupayama el Naya. Ush ayama. You'll feel the waves moving through you, through your muscles, through all of that biology within you. You are being caressed and enlightened and renewed. This is the third part of the activation, renewing yourself. Gorgeous spiraling energy, life force from the great central sun in the constellation of Sirius. There's a gorgeous light coming now above you. And it's going to, so that energy portal that you have placed above your head, coming down through you, the spiraling energy, and then also from the one at your feet coming up from the earth, and then also from the ones at your sides coming in from there. So you have 4 points of spiraling energy, then mixing with the central spiral in your heart. Ush aki ama a. Everyone and everything holding hands in love within you, every cell, every thought, every feeling. Bringing in the light. I am light. I honorably, bravely, and wisely walk it everywhere I go. Your heartbeat. To finish the activation, the 3 Pleiadians and your higher self will walk those spirals into the central part of your heart. And then they will all converge into one masterful being that you will feel and sense standing in front of you. Even though you are lying down, you are standing in your light body, and you are receiving your light walker, your star walker emblem. It is different for everyone. It will have a spiral within it somewhere. It is your unique higher soul emblem. It is a mixture of genetics from Sirius, Arcturus, and the Pleiades, and where you are a vibration of oneness, that knowingness inside you, that just knowing, knowing your love, knowing your right, and then having the honor and the bravery and the wisdom to walk it everywhere you go on this planet. That is Plasma Soul Code number 21. That's what it stands for, El Naya. And El Naya is that vibration inside you of absolute, pure light. There is no wavering from that. You will receive your beautiful emblem and place it on your heart, and when you are ready, take 3 slow deep breaths in and out and let yourself sit up. You may need to kind of push yourself just a little bit here, but you're being asked to sit up and then stand. I'm even going to stand too with you. So we're just waiting for everyone to stand. Breathe. Open your eyes. Place your hands on your heart. Breathing. Hands on your heart and say, I am light. I honorably, bravely, and wisely walk it everywhere I go. What a beautiful affirmation. Soul code 21, El Naya. Let's say that again, 2 more times. I am light. I honorably, bravely, and wisely walk it everywhere I go. I, and you can put your name in there if you like, am light. I honorably, bravely, and wisely walk it everywhere I go. What a gorgeous activation that was. We give thanks and gratitude to all of the beings of the Quantum Light team. I give my love and blessings and gratitude to you for listening. I'm so happy that you're here with me listening, and we're doing this together. We're a big human team, and the world needs us now more than it has in a long, long time. Let us stay together, help each other be brave and wise and loving beings. And you have all of the light and the life force inside you to get the job done that you came here to do, to be the best version of yourself. Absolutely and truly. Allow every day and every moment to be one of love. You know this, it is your natural way. I am Simone Renee Quinton, here with you and the Quantum Light team, and I will see you all very soon. Many, many blessings, and have a magical day.